another question is about meditation. I know the importance of it. I have felt the shift. Artist Collective के पहले मैं meditation नहीं करती थी, but now I have started doing it and I can actually like analyze things better. But कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि when you're very anxious or something emotionally draining is going on in your life, जब मैं उस दिन पे meditate करने बैठती हूँ तो मैं हमेशा struggle करती हूँ या कभी-कभी मैं और anxious हो जाती हूँ meditate करने से. लेकिन सब बोलते हैं कि every day you should meditate, you should sit for 30 minutes and like meditate. So should you meditate on those days also, or is it just okay to sometimes let it go?
It's okay. It's okay to sometimes let it go. I mean, if you're doing it on day 3 of your meditation, it's not okay. But if you're doing that on day 25 of your meditation or day 45 of your meditation, it's absolutely okay. You know, we should take break. We should sometimes not do it, and it's completely fine. As long as you know you are doing 25 days in a month, 27 days in a month, that's more than enough. And the days when you feel you're anxious and the moment you sit down, you see anxiety is also an energy, you know, and sometimes that energy is really powerful. And meditation tells you to be still in that moment. That energy is so strong that it's very difficult to be still in that moment. You can't be still in the moment when the energy is so strong, and it's a very powerful, which is also draining you and also attacks you so viciously. You know, panic and anxiety are such vicious emotions that attack you. In moments like this, I think going for a walk is much better than meditating. You know, and yes, and if you love kickboxing, martial arts, or boxing, or any of those things, that's great to do. Or workouts I feel are one of the best things that exist to counter your mind.
You suddenly feel like lighter.
Yeah, I feel workouts are as good in countering your mind as meditation. They're as powerful. Because meditation भी एक तरीका है अपने माइंड के बियॉन्ड जाने का, और वर्कआउट भी एक तरीका है टेम्पररीली अपने माइंड के बियॉन्ड जाने का. द ओनली डिफरेंस इज वर्कआउट विल नॉट टेक यू आउट ऑफ इट परमानेंटली. Meditation will take you out of it permanently over a period of time of practice. But workout is great for the next 2-3 hours you are sorted. You'll be fine. So your anxiety at least for a few hours will go. It won't be there. क्योंकि वो एनर्जी थी ना, उस एनर्जी को आउटलेट चाहिए था, आपने वर्कआउट में वो आउटलेट दे दिया. So then you'll feel really good. So yes, absolutely no rules. There are no rules.
Okay,
You should meditate when you feel like meditating. But yes, practice doing it regularly, because जो real effects आते हैं वो over a period of time आते हैं. So being regular at it is important.